Welcome to Lin House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Nestled amidst a serene landscape, a modern, small black house stands as a testament to both architectural innovation and organic harmony. Its sleek, minimalist design is juxtaposed with the warmth of natural materials, creating a tension that is both intriguing and inviting. The house is situated on a gentle slope, overlooking a small, tranquil lake in a lush forest of green and yellow leaves. The surrounding environment provides a peaceful backdrop, enhancing the overall sense of serenity and tranquility. The house's design incorporates a harmonious blend of wood and glass. The exterior walls are clad in smooth, black stone, providing a solid foundation for the structure. Large windows, framed by sleek black frames, offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The windows are partially obscured by wooden shutters, which can be opened to allow natural light to flood the interior or closed to create a more intimate atmosphere. The front of the house features a small, tranquil lake, which is fed by a gentle artificial waterfall. The waterfall creates a soothing sound that can be heard throughout the property. The lake is surrounded by a lush garden, filled with a variety of flowering plants and shrubs. The garden slopes gently towards the forest, creating a sense of depth and mystery. Behind the house, a dense forest stretches out, a tapestry of green and yellow leaves that changes with the seasons. The forest provides a sense of privacy and seclusion, shielding the house from the outside world. The trees are a mix of evergreens and deciduous species, creating a diverse and vibrant ecosystem. The interior of the house is equally minimalist and sophisticated. Clean lines, natural materials, and ample natural light create a sense of spaciousness and tranquility. The living room is dominated by a large, open-plan fireplace, which provides warmth and ambience during the cooler months. The floors are made of dark, polished wood, adding a touch of warmth and character to the space. The bedrooms are located on the upper level, offering stunning views of the lake and the forest. The house is designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances and ample storage space. The bedrooms are spacious and comfortable, with ample natural light and views of the surrounding environment. The bathrooms feature modern fixtures and finishes, creating a spa-like atmosphere. This modern, small black house is more than just a dwelling. It is a sanctuary, a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and find peace and serenity. The design of the house is a harmonious blend of modern aesthetics and natural materials, creating a space that is both inviting and inspiring. The surrounding environment provides a tranquil backdrop, enhancing the overall sense of well-being and tranquility. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.